Ping Sunday has the special permission of Coach Chen Kangning. Please don't upload the video without the permission of Coach Chen and Ping Sunday.
Should we copy Ma Long and use the Chinese rubber on backhand? Coach Chen will explain why Ma Long is using Chinese rubber on backhand, but you should not. Why do I recommend using the European rubber on the backhand? Because European rubbers are generally more forgiving. For us amateurs, I think first of all, don't even mention Ma Long. You don't even have the backhand control ability of a professional player. Then why blindly imitate Ma Long? He developed to a certain level, and he is a forehand dominant player. As for his backhand, it's flexible and versatile. It's stable and good for blocking. It holds up well in rallies and the only drawback is that it's a bit smaller. OD heavy enough and lacks high quality. So what does he do? He takes an alternative route. He uses tacky Chinese rubber. His shots come off more sneakily. The ball trajectory becomes more awkward. So when rallying with him, his backhand shots feel awkward to the opponent. They can't time their hits properly. That's his goal. If he used European rubber against the generation of backhand dominant players, the young players of this, he would be at a disadvantage. Even though he is very stable and has variety, his absolute shot quality is low. So he had to take another path. What's his method? Lowered the opponent's quality because he can't further raise his own quality. He makes things slightly awkward for himself, a bit uncomfortable, so the opponent's level drops. Tries to hit hard, he'll make enforced errors, quality drops. That makes Ma Long's own quality look better. This is a dialectical relationship. His quality seems not so low after all, and the opponent feels awkward. You all want to follow Ma Long, but do you have his ability to control the ball on the backhand? Without that ability, if you use tacky Chinese rubber, you won't be able to handle the ball. You'll have to generate all the power yourself. You need very good hand control. It's extremely difficult for blocking. Super hard. Rallies are hard to blocking is hard to manage. So is it more advantageous or disadvantageous? Exactly, you get it. That's why I don't encourage amateurs to blindly imitate pros. Now you understand why Ma Long switched to tacky rubber. But most people are not suited for it. Coach Chen will explain why Ma Long is using Chinese rubber on backhand, but you should not.
为什么反手我建议贴外套？是因为外套相对容错率高。咱们爱好者，我觉得你首先不要说马龙了，你连专业队的反手的这种控制能力都不具备，那你为什么要盲目的模仿马龙呢？他是因为发展到一定程度了，他是正手体系的人，他的反手呢灵活多变也稳定。 防得好，相持好，进攻也不错，唯一的就是有点小不好，不够重，质量不够高。好了，它是叫什么？另辟蹊径，它利用粘性胶皮，它出球更贼，出球的弧线更别扭，让别人跟他相持打起来的时候，就是他的反手一出手，让别人觉得别扭，跟他对不上点儿。他的目的是这个，为什么？如果他打色套。 跟现在的新时代的这种反手体系的人，年轻人打的时候，他很吃亏。虽然他很全面，也很稳定，也有变化，但是他的绝对质量低。所以说他要另辟蹊径，他用这个办法干嘛？拉低别人的质量。对，因为我没有办法再提高质量。好，我让我自己稍微别扭点、恶心点，我让对手的质量拉低，他还拼命发力，他可能就因为我过来的球别扭，他乱失。 那他降低质量了，是不是就显着他的质量没那么高了？然后这个辩证关系就显得我的质量没那么低了，人家还别扭，对吧？好了，你们都跟着马龙学，你有他反手对球的驾驭能力的，你没有他的这个驾驭能力，你用粘性胶皮，你根本处理不了球，只有自己发力拉，手上有点数。对，防巨难，相持难控制，防御难控制。那你说是利大于弊还是弊大于利？ 对呀，懂了吧？所以为什么我不主张我们爱好者盲目的去模仿？我这样讲你就明白了，为什么马龙换这个粘性胶皮，而大部分人不是。
Read more about table tennis on my blog, pingsunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.